update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I put a chart up here of Tesla from yesterday's low, which was at 258, and then it gapped down. You can see we gapped down $20 on the opening, and then it went up and made it ABCD. That is a beautiful ABCD, folks, but there is a trade better than that. And it's really simple. Buy Tiger dollars. Anywhere from 30 to 50% off. That's a no-brainer. I mean, that's take it for what it's worth, but that's a good deal. This is a great pattern, but buying Tiger dollars, you're getting them at a discount. And, you know, we've got some great information from all these guests, so let's take a look at it. Now, we've got a lot of things happening, folks, today, and I'm talking about real money in foreign currencies. I mean, I have sent out a video about this, and we are knocking on heaven's door out here. I don't know what's going to happen with the Federal Reserve or what rates are going to do, but this thing is getting ready to really rock and roll. The dollar is either going to scream like you can't believe, or it's probably getting ready for some type of correction. So let's try to remember to do that. Now we're going to come up here and just give you a perfect example of what I want to show you here. So just if I can find this perfect example. Oh, you know what? I don't think I can, because I didn't post it up here like I should have. Shut the front door and raise the rent. I blew that one, folks. So give me a break here, and I'll come up here and bring it up to you right now. I'm just going to give you an example here. This is Tesla. We'll get it out of the way. Treasury bonds, I think they're going to have a big move. I think everything's going to have a big move. But where is my Canadian dollar? And here it is right now. This is the Canadian dollar, folks, on a little 4-minute chart. I want you to see that number right up there, because when you look at that number on a long-term weekly, there it is, knocking on heaven's door right there, that number right there. It hit that just a little while ago within one tick, 14339. Now, if you sold that, you can see here it has some pretty big swings. You've got to risk $500. But if it's right, and if it's right, you're going to see something like this very, very quickly. As we go through all of these different currencies, and we're going to try to do some of them along with the questions that we have. And Mike Moore will be our guest at the half-hour break. A lot of things happening, so we'll hope to get some of these things sorted out. So when the Fed does act what it's going to do, we'll have a rough idea of whether the patterns are going to be working. But the cattle is certainly working, folks. That's up 4.5 handles now, well over $2,200 profit in the cattle position. The other positions are doing pretty good. The short position in the gold worked really well. It had some really nice moves. Well, you can see it here.